like to formally introduce myself, sir. So, I am Jillian Queen P. Bitoon from Southwestern University, FINMA, a first-year medical technology student. So, our activity in PMLS1 is to interview a registered medical technologist, and na ako yung mga specific na mga questions for you. And, kanang, okay raman po sa imo, sir, no nga, record ran ako while ga-interview ta.
Oh, yeah.
So, ang first na question, sir, is about background and career path. So, ang first na ko nga question before the main question is, where ka nag-graduate sa pagka-medtech mo, sir? Like, where ka ning-graduate na school?
Where ko nag-graduate? Wait lang, nabungod ka. Once again, question, pa-repeat lang. Sorry.
Where ka nga school ni graduate, sir, og medtech?
Okay. So, I graduated sa San Pedro College sa Davao City.
So, what made you choose medical technology as your career po?
First off, actually, parents' choice. Parents' choice. Kaya mag-med mo ko.
So, answer. Next is, can you share your first experience working in a clinical laboratory?
So, ano yung mas prefer ni mo? Employed ako or intern pa ko at the time?
Pwede ra pod intern, sir, para mahatagan pod ko og insights po.
Siguro, I'll be honest. We talked kanina sa chat, right? No? Kung maingon na dyan, baga atong libro. Like, practice na. Alam na siya. Pero work as a medical technologist is mas masaya compared to studying the theories behind it.
So, ang next, sir, is about roles and responsibilities. So, the first question about roles and responsibilities is, what does a typical day in your work look like tong nag-internship pa ka?
Pwede pa repeat sa question na
Ay,
sorry.
Ko answer about roles and responsibilities na pud ni. So, kuan, tong intern pa ka, sir, what does a typical day in your work look like?
So intern pa po. Let's differentiate natin kung work ko as medtech. Nag-work ko 1 year before ko nag-med. Anyways, nag-work as a medtech, siguro, let's say online baby. So, I graduated medtech na online class. So, siguro, let's say, a whole new level, overwhelming na, like, also not training. Like, pakuratan ka kay ingani day ng pipette, ingani day ng works, ingani day, like, ingani day ito. And then, in contrast sa imong work, sa imong gibasa o sa imong work, mas easy to perform the work compared sa mag-memorize how to do the work. Now, pag-abot na pag-sample na work, outside, after internship, so na-quarantine ako, let's say, it's a pressure every day to sign the result since in charge naman ka sa life sa tao. Unlike to intern pa ko na napay-gabantay na medtech sa kuha. Siya.
So, in line with that, sir, what challenges do you commonly face in your practice? In line with the first question, what challenges do you commonly face in your practice?
Siguro, as I said, in charge na ko with human life. Sometimes, maka-refer firma of results. And then, at the same time, the challenge could to siguro handle patients. Okay, different patients, different attitudes, different workloads. Siya.
So, ang next, sir, is about professional practice and ethics. So, can you share an example of an ethical situation in the laboratory? Ethical situation in the laboratory, sir. Can you give me an example or share an example na imuhang na
Ano, wait lang. Shopee dito from my end. So, release mo to bag.
Answer. Can you share an example of an ethical situation in the laboratory?
Ano na lang kay. I-try na ko PC yung question na kay. Shopee dito from my end. Nangita ka ethical dilemma from me sa laboratory na? Ethical problem?
Ethical situation.
Ethical situation.
Na imo ma-share.
So, ako ang encounter so far. Murag ethical man tanan. Ethical problem tanan. Why? Kay sa hospital, how much man sa laboratory? Di man gud maiwasan na ichismosa. So kunwari, na kay patient, tapos ang patient nimo nasa gilid iyang silingan. Tapos, wait lang, I can't speak in Bisaya.
Yes, sir.
Just want to make sure na kay patient, experience ko na ko. I have this patient na siya test na very sensitive. Kung unsa may result at nakataya yung dingidad. So, I want to say something specific, pero let's assume na for STD, sexually transmitted disease. Akong patient nagpalab, ang silingan niya nasa gilid. Then, what happened next kay siguro, ang silingan niya na curious. So, nawata na sa amua, siyempre, since privacy ni patient, di mo hindi pwede magtubag.
Yes. So,
at all times, protect your patients too.
Yes, sir. So, connection rapod ni siya, sir. So, what values guide you as a medtech professional?
Say, proper na value. Siguro, honesty, justice, o non-maleficence. Kay, you have to be honest sa iyong work.
Yes.
Second, you have to really do your work. And lastly, you have to never harm you.
Yes.
Ano na siya?
Next, sir, is about biosafety and risk management. So, have you experienced a lab accident or incident? If so, how was it handled?
Sa akin natin din, okay, nadyo tayo kadamakan paminsan sa lab. Pero anyways, accident. Kung naman accident, kung naman accident. Siguro clean mic. Siyempre, clean mic, you have to, either ang work sa urinalysis, checalysis, anything about stool and urine. Tapos, siyempre, I have, may colleague ako na nahulog niya yung urine na specimen. Siyempre, since urine na siya, hindi ka pwede mag-apply of chlorine. So, siguro, tatong janitor at the time, they didn't know what to do. Naglabay-labay siya chlorine. Then, ang chlorine manggod, I forgot what type of vapor ang maproduce. Basta chlorine and bleach manggod, makaproduce na siyang vapor na gas. Pag makaproduce na siyang vapor na gas, that gas is toxic. That's why you never clean urine with bleach. So what happened? Kay katanan ni Maho ang lab, maraming mataok dito. Lain ang panginaw. So anyways, that was resolved naman po kay gililip nilang water and sabon. Pero I hope none of you maabot anak na point. And I hope kung first year mo anak na point, meaning graduate na mo. Check. Anyways, next question.
Kuan, sir, murag natubag na nimo, sir. Kuan, what advice can you give students about laboratory safety?
Ibang tinala.
So, last, sir, is about career insights and advice. So, what do you enjoy most about being a medical technologist?
So, kung ako dyan mo na mapana, no?
Sa chat.
Siguro, salary aside, the work itself. Ano na lang?
So, kuan, sir, what advice would you give to a first-year medtech students like us, like me?
There's may advice ako mahatag. If I were to give an advice to a first-year student, first and foremost, you're gonna lose a lot of friends along the way, either through conflicts or nangahagbong. Di na malikyan.
Wala mo ko'y friend.
So, at least man lang tatagan mo. Tatagan mo heart mo. No joke. Another thing is that, given naman na mag-study ka, but
Yes.
make sure na when pagkalisod ka sa inyong mag-enjoy ka.
Yes.
Kay effort without enjoyment is useless ka pa. Ikaw na burn out na.
Yes.
Ano?
Kuan sir, mga pod gani nga dili kayo ko makipagkuan kay since share lang ako sir ha kanang kuan man ko late enrollee ko tapos sila sila friends tapos ara-ara ko sa kilid maghulat ra ko na makipag-storya sa ako amo nang mao ko magipag
Hindi na ito binagaon mo. Hindi pwede dili pagkagod.
nag-take kay ko courage sir kay since
May magic sa life kung ulawon ka na person.
nang naka-interview nako sir tas walay music
Wala yun?
wala na-record ang music ang tingog. Sir, last question, sir. Last question.
Go.
Nako isa ka last question.
Wala.
If dili medtech ang pre-med nga gi-choose sa imong parents for you, sir, kay unsa man unta imong piliun? If dili medtech ang gi-choose sa imong parents for you as pre-med, unsa man imong gusto nga i-pre-med?
Hala. Dito mang daot. Pinanakon. I would either go for pharma, nursing, nag-engineering go.
Engineering. So, marat ako ang mga questions, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
Sure.
Thank you so much, sir. Pangunan ako, sir.
Okay. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, sir. Thank you.